This is the moment when we absolutely need to demonstrate global solidarity where abortion is under attack. Since the 1st of January, that a great deal has been achieved in a relatively short time, but there's absolutely no doubt that services are very patchy across the country at the present time. So it's really important that all of the maternity hospitals should be fully equipped and ready and willing to offer a full range of services to women. We understand that at the present time there are only about 10 or 11 maternity hospitals which have the full range of services. There are 19 altogether. That needs to step up, and it needs to happen really promptly. Well, the campaigning organisations here, and I'm thinking particularly of organisations like the Abortion Rights Campaign and indeed others, are working very closely with the Alliance for Choice in the north of Ireland, who are in Belfast and Derry, all around the country. And we're also, obviously, Amnesty down south is working with Amnesty in the north of Ireland. So there are very close connections, and many people have been up for the rallies and the marches in the north of Ireland. We will continue to do that. We will share any of the learning, any of the lessons that we've learned from campaigning down here are obviously, insofar as they're useful. Anything that we can do, we do it, and when we're asked, not only when we're asked, but we offer help and support. This is the moment when we absolutely need to demonstrate global solidarity where abortion is under attack, intense attack in the US, and where there are massive difficulties in South America, here in Europe. And we are certainly watching the results of the European Parliament elections in that regard, because what extreme right-wing parties and forces do is to immediately target women's reproductive rights and the rights of lesbian, gay, bisexual and trans people. So we are very ready for that. We know that these fights are ongoing, and we're going to resist those, because this is about fundamental human freedoms and rights.